Hey everybody, welcome back to Stuff from the CUFFS. Yay! So you see our hands, and if you've been seeing this challenge floating around YouTube, you know what it is.
No thumbs challenge.
It's the no thumbs challenge. So Brian suggested that we do this. He thought it would be fun, and I agree. So we're gonna see what we can get done without our thumbs. So our thumbs have been taped.
Yeah,
Show
you know,
them
sometimes guys will take some things for granted. And even though this is fun, there's a lesson in it.
Yeah.
Don't take no part of you for granted. Don't take nothing for granted. I mean, I was temporarily disabled for a while back in when I was at Love FM. We were playing football, business house, and I had to be on crutches for 6 weeks because of a severe sprain. Like literally, somebody kicked me down, fly up into the air, and my whole body came down on my left or my right ankle. But it was crazy. So I understand some of the challenges that physically challenged persons really have to face. So even though it's fun, it's gonna be fun because of what we're gonna be doing. It's just a lesson in it still, isn't it?
Yeah, there's still a lesson. Let's not take life for granted. Let's not take our abilities for granted. And let's just give thanks for all that we can do comfortably. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is
John 3:16, for God so loved the world. We're going to be typing it
on
and
our
sending
phones.
it to each other via Instagram, and the first person who completes it will win this round.
So we're going to type it. When we're finished typing it and sending it, we're going to screenshot it. Okay? You know how to screenshot on that phone?
That's what I was thinking, but I think that this
here,
one is...
here and there. Okay.
All
right, ready?
No, put on the phone.
Oh, I must put it on?
Yeah, let's set you off.
Okay.
On your mark, get set, go. No, you have to take up the phone. No. Put it
I never know. Yes, if you put it down.
And then you have to take it up.
Okay.
On your mark, get set, go.
Jesus.
It's a phone under the autocorrect. No, I see what I type. Guys, this phone is hardly used, so it don't do autocorrect. No, don't lean up on me. Yes, man. I know say this is not key autocorrect. You must say if you're done, you must say
I'm done. And I just screenshotted it and sent it to you.
Screenshotted is not a word.
Well, I just made it a word.
What me just do? How me do it? Oh no, you send it to me already. You send it. Alright.
You not click send, babe?
If you send it to.
Yeah, but you not send that?
Oh.
Okay, so I've already won round one.
No, look and see and make sure you spell right. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish. But why have capital H for have?
Really?
It doesn't matter.
Oh, you mean that's not in the Bible? Capital H for have, capital G for God. Guys, you'll be the judge. I'm send the picture them and you see whose scripture would you more appreciate. Alright, so that's it for this one.
Okay, why is your him in common age?
No.
Yes, man.
Yeah, I hope they never see it, not tell a lie.
Yes, man.
But
And why is
next on
there
the
not
agenda?
a full stop after?
What's
Hold on.
next on the
What the rest
agenda?
of hold on the babe? What the rest of the scripture?
It was at this moment that he knew.
He never done the scripture,
I
guys.
finished. It looked like it deleted. Guys. I'm sorry.
What deleted your thumb?
Oh my God!
Next one. All right, here we know one. Hey.
Okay.
Next one.
Next thing is to pull or snack and juice and eat some and drink some. Okay, so
We have to drink off the juice at least. We can't eat off the snack.
No, we can't eat
No,
off
but
all
we're
that
gonna know
snack.
who win. We have to finish something.
Okay, we drink off the juice.
All right.
Alright, after two. And how we're gonna pull the snack. So it has an easy open tab. We're not using that part. You know, like how you just
No. If this never have the easy open tab, you would have never pulled.
so how it go home.
I mean, use the easy open tab.
No, but that's easy.
Yeah, but may I tell you, say this material, what is left with? This is
can't.
some 45 material.
Alright then. Alright, let's use easy open
We can try. Like, we try first, but we have to end up use easy one, I'm sure.
Alright, let's try that first. If we try and after 2 seconds it don't work. Almost right now gonna work. So let's just use the easy one. Alright,
Because
ready?
me remember before they made easy one tab, people used to say, oh, you pull them crab chips bag.
I couldn't pull it.
No, what you do? What you don't know? Alright.
Okay. Put it closer.
Alright.
Alright, after 2, 1, 2.
Yeah, I'm so hungry. No, so I look like I did this before. But it's looking. No, say you're hungry. No. You never eat dinner? You never eat dinner. I want to make this with. You didn't even have to rush. Alright, finally. Now that is done.
In all fairness,
No.
Brian didn't make me laugh.
The race is not for the swift, but for those who can't
Babe,
endure.
if me sorry for you,
Or the
I'll wait for you.
composure. Or the composure.
Alright, I'll remember that. We already know how Brian operates, right?
1-1.
So I'm sorry for you, in a blues.
Oh man, we've got to do it right in the last because I've got to do it 1-1. So, we have 2 daughters, right, girls?
We have 2 daughters, right, girls?
Guys, the drinks go down too quick. I don't know that was pressure, you know. Come here, let's sweat. We have 2 girls, right, guys? And you know, big ups to all the girl dads out there. And our next challenge. So, guys, even before we continue, so we have a big up Water Difference Photography in the building, WAD Photography. We're gonna put up them IG handle, and we can't wait to see what they're gonna come with when they come on YouTube. So they're helping us today, and of course that's Renee Patrick. Big up yourself, Ren's Ken.
Friends can.
Yeah, she provided us with the things that we would be using for this challenge. So here what? So we have 2 girls, Bria and Bella Renee. Bria Marie, Bella Renee, and she's given us 2 dolls. And we have to go put ribbons in them here. Now this unfair. Guess what? Because Basilia always had the girls here. I've done Bria's here probably twice in my life, and Basilia's always.
Thank
been
God
doing
it's
it.
only twice.
Right. So when I did her here, it did slap with.
I was so embarrassed.
Oh, no.
Slap with. When
Hold
we go
on.
road, people be like, "Are you do this?"
In life,
Bam, slap with.
guys,
Well,
I
the
was so-
second time. The first time, I didn't need the help. Somebody show
I
her and I
was
try to do something.
so embarrassed
She
to
was
see
so-
Brian carry my baby
That's
gonna
the first
party
time. That's the first time.
with our
yes.
hair.
I learned after that, and I did much better the second time. Although I send picture to her, she was like, "Not bad, babe." So that's that, you know. But I try to stay in my lane. The hair thing on my lane. So this is Bella, And this is Bria for today, alright?
We're going to catch up the hair in one.
What do you mean catch up them here in one?
So how is it going to tie? You can't just tie it in any.
You just have to put your ribbon on here.
No, you go tie it in one.
So I have to catch up your ear in a one first, like one big plait.
No, just one like this.
Oh, I think you say I have to put the ear in a one first. We have to twist the ear in a one first, babe.
That the hair they can't twist.
So that's why I'm gonna use that one here and you're gonna use that one here.
You don't have to twist it, babe.
Alright. Ready?
Yes.
Put on the baby now. You know what? I think we should be doing this blindfolded. Or the next challenge we'll probably go do the blindfold challenge somewhere along the way.
Yeah, not for this one. Alright, ready?
Pull down the ribbon.
Oh.
I have pizza chips in my teeth. Ready?
After 2, 1, 2, go.
How you take the time, no matter how you time, right?
Means tie a bow.
I need to have more. My baby is small, you know, so it's harder.
Sure.
No, I space. I need space. What I'm telling you.
Babe,
No, you can't do that.
no, what are you doing?
Look at you. Guys, I'm glad I don't see, you know. I'm glad I don't see.
Gladness, what? Are you
push
first?
Me, no,
are
a
you
space me didn't need. We never expect to win that one here, guys.
Why is your
And you
nolly
pull it
neck?
at your fault. You push it down.
Me push it down. Babe, a scarf you give it me?
Guys, tell us which one you prefer. If you want to be rocking this summer, look at the bang, look at the edges, look at all of that. This is in. This is summer 2020.
Guys,
different. The new
listen.
normal.
We were supposed to tie the ribbon.
I don't recall you saying around head, you just said tie the ribbon.
But babe, what were you going to twist?
Because it would accentuate the ribbon. Anyway, guys.
No, hey, every video, every episode, Brian proves my point, right, guys? We know.
Which point? Like
We know. We know
anyway,
the point.
Anyway.
Okay.
Tell us which ribbon you prefer, guys, alright? And don't be biased and say Team Beautiful B. As a matter of fact, me gonna start use Team Beautiful B.
Really?
And she used Team B Scissors. So vote for Team B Scissors, alright?
Oh my God!
Let's go, next challenge.
Alright, so the next challenge is we're going to put on a shirt that needs to be buttoned down. No, don't pay attention to the shirt, them not iron or anything. It's just for the demonstration, for the challenge, okay? So I just picked up one of Brian's shirts.
She look for the hardest shirt.
And seriously, babe, me just pick up one shirt.
So we could do this individually and a time.
No.
No, but we can't sit down here and do it. So we not go. Yeah, don't. Yeah.
No, we can't sit down and do it.
No,
No.
individually better, man. Just chat time. Yeah.
How many buttons do you have?
10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5,
So I'm gonna stand.
6. Yeah, just that. 6 buttons. How much you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so I'm ready to do my button down challenge first. Brian is going to time me and then he's going to do the same. So we have 6 buttons each. So we'll see who does it the quickest. Alright? Ready to time me now? And again, this is a no thumb challenge. I didn't know how hard it would have been to operate without the thumb until now. So we've both gotten a minute to see how many buttons we can do. Alright, timer ready?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
2 hours later.
Mercy said no. Like, this is so difficult.
1 eternity later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Come make me can't see the hole. Like my thumb used to help me see hole. Or something. Alright, come Basile, you can do this.
I think I get most of the contract. You know, what am I going with?
How much
10
time?
seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Time move. You know, you won.
So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4.
You got 3.
Okay, I got 3.
I get 1 minute practice.
Seriously?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go.
Guys, this is so hard. Yeah, laugh.
Can you push out your belly and try?
You know, I have to give little support. Man, I have to have guts, you know. Time.
You have 10 seconds.
I have your favorite thing to say that? Count. 5, 4. Count. No, me tell you a count so that me know.
5, 4, 3.
No, you can't start at
2,
4.
1. Time out. So it's a tie.
A 3 again. A 3 again.
Yes.
Oh, she tell me 4. Could have beat her now.
I'm still in the lead. It's still at 2-1 because the last challenge was a tie. So what we're going to do now is a writing challenge. And the sentence that we're going to write is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And that sentence uses all the letters of the alphabet. So that's why we're using that one. And I have a minute to see how much of that sentence I can write. Can write.
You're right, so you can't write it.
Alright, ready?
Go. No, sir, it's too easy. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
Stop time. What's the time?
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a new world record faster than Usain Bolt. 1917.
Alright, so that is 1917. 1, 2, go. The
Stop time!
what is that though?
What?
What kind of writing that?
What? Hold on. Never know say a penmanship class.
16, 18.
Job spend.
Tell them how much time you went to.
16.80 seconds.
You're doing Usain Bolt, but Usain didn't do anything in 16.
Better than him, so I should go. More F.I.R.E. First up, I'd like to thank my mother and father, because if it weren't for them, I wouldn't be here today. Then I'd like to thank all my fans. I train really hard.
Our tiebreaker is to cut out a circle. We both have circles on our papers.
Scissors.
And scissors. So the scissors, well, they were specifically made for the use of the thumb. So this one is going to determine who wins.
Alright.
Right?
So guys, disclaimer.
It
It was a good fight.
If we excuse,
No matter who wins, I'm proud of both the cufflinks. I wish you all the best, but I'm going for the win.
Anyway, in 3, 2, 1, go. Stop performing.
Guys, my name is no perfect circle still. Or circle this.
No, babe, no.
See?
Him just cut round.
It's a circle.
Guys, look at
Guys,
my
this is a
circle and look at Brian's.
You know, guys,
Brian,
guys,
you're supposed to cut
you
out
didn't
the
say
circle.
that. You didn't say that. Yes, you didn't say go all the way around to the blue line. This is a cut out circle. Thank you.
Hey, I'm gonna see why I'm say what I always say, right? Look at this.
I know everybody they get one in a TD art. My circle cut out. My circle cut out.
Guys, you be the judge, alright? We were tasked with cutting out the circle that
And
was
this
drawn.
is a cut out circle.
We were.
They did not say get the circle perfectly. They
No, we never say get
didn't
it.
say perfectly around the
No,
blue
but
line.
babe,
It
you
said
just
cut out the
kind of just
circle.
go around.
No.
You were supposed. You were supposed to follow the circle.
Guys, let me show you that it was a circle that was cut out. Just look. See there?
And look
Paper
at
now.
mine.
It matter. That's a circle. No, what that?
Guys,
It's a
you
circle.
be the judge. I want you to tell us in the comments
B sizzle.
who
Team B
won
sizzle.
this circle challenge.
Yeah,
Alright,
yeah.
so based on your votes, put up your circle,
So
turn it
circle,
around.
No, you can't put it in my circle.
Turn on your circle.
Guys,
Guys, Renee.
remember to like, subscribe,
Hold
share.
on. I'm not done.
Yeah.
I'm not done.
Nope.
Renee
like, subscribe, share.
drew-
Hashtag team.
Renee
B sizzle.
drew 2 blue
Winning
circles.
circle.
Turn it around.
You don't trouble my
Renee
circle.
drew 2 circles
And
for
this is
us
my
to cut
circle.
out. Turn it around.
It's alright. That's it, guys.
No,
Thank you
guys,
for joining us. Thank you for
guys.
watching. See you next time.
Listen, guys,
My tear
What?
circle.
I want
Gee.
Brian tear the circle on purpose. Alright, guys, so let
Bad
us
mind.
know.
Shall make the camera stop.
Brian
Bad mind.
purposely tear
Bad
him
mind.
circles so
Guys,
that
you
he
saw my
not be hold
circle?
it up.
Listen, you saw my
No,
circle?
Brian.
You be the judge.
No, sir.
Thumbs up.
So
Yeah? Like it? This is my thumbs up.
let
right
us
here.
know who you think
Right.
won this circle challenge. I don't know how you think you can just cut all the way around.
Listen.
It wasn't
when
even
we
a
used to go
circle.
school,
It
we-
looks like
it look-
a octagon or something with how many different sides.
Guys, you never see no sides. One round.
Let us know, guys. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in to another Stuff from the Cuffs. Remember to like, subscribe, give the video a
Thumbs up.
thumbs up,
Yeah.
and of course, we'll have another episode. for
We
you
appreciate
soon.
you guys. Love.
Thank
Love.
you so much. Bye. Oh,
Help you?
no,
Help you?
no thanks.
Alright, take off mine. Let me take off yours.
I'll do it. Take it off.
Let's try to take on
You're
the
lucky,
beard,
say.
yeah. You may have PSC on the side of your head and take
I have enough ear,
You
enough
look like a little
ear.
Pocahontas.
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 Come now, let me tell you.
No, thank you. Give you a bro wax.
No, you're mad.
No, thank you.
Quarantine style. Quarantine shaving. Babe, you see any other eyebrow come off. Your face, YouTube not see we again. Oh. Don't. Guys, wanna see that? See my eyebrow. Alright. Watch what me I go do with this now.
You see my friend? I'm afraid of you.